Hi there and welcome to Dynamite. I am so excited. My name is Myrtle Mitten. I'm the business leader of the Dynamite Sales Company. And I just want to send this welcome email to our company. Thank you for joining. So you've bought the kit, you've kind of handed in your $39 and you're kind of like, I don't know what this all involves. So our goal is to help you to achieve whatever the goals you are. So if you're just looking to get some products at a discount, maybe qualify for that extra offer that's on because it's a pretty sweet deal, we want to welcome you. We want to invite you to join our Facebook group because that's a source of information, and we want to invite you to attend some events that are coming up. There's also tons of ongoing training to help and support you. So whatever it is you're looking for, we are here to support you and your goals in Tupperware. So reach out to us and let us know how we can best help you. I look forward to meeting you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.